New lighting conditions. Man, just check out what it looks like. It just looks so good. So if you've been watching me from some time, you know that I had a lot of problems with lighting. I couldn't figure out the proper lighting. I was doing some stupid fixes, like putting curtains on windows and behind me to cover things that I didn't like. But now, my brain got an update and I figured out a new solution to the problem, which was kinda sick. I was like, geez, why it took me so much time? I have 22 years and I'm so dumb. So simple solution. All I had to do was to move my desk to a different place. Not to buy stupid cartons. If you have a problem, don't buy any cartons. We're gonna make extremely heavy or something future bass today. Like just heavy and hard hitting and just mind blowing. Okay, so now we need a Serum, some 6 saws. Okay, so I'm gonna keep this chord progression for now. I'm just gonna loop the whole thing. And I'm gonna open a new Serum instance and I'm gonna do some moving leads that are just gonna be going up and thing. And that's a Galaxy, yes, that's Galaxy lead. So that is F sharp and A sharp. We are looking for these notes. Also B. And we're gonna do a pitch automation. I want them to go like dun, dun. Kind of like a riser actually. Maybe lower. Okay, that's kind of cool. Now we need bass. Bruh. Of course we need bass. Oh, that's kind of cool. We're gonna cut the low in here. If you want to learn how I made this particular bass, there's a making a track with the Galaxy sample pack. This is just a sampler and some distortion kind of deal. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I think I will do some reverb automation. Yeah, that's kind of cool. Stop! Da-da-da. No, this is gonna be generic. Okay, but I need a like a acapella, right? We can put this here. Yeah, that's cool. See some inspirations and some samples. So then we do this, I guess. Dun, dun. Right, so we go up. Ooh, that's sick. Yeah, put this here, try to see what is the bass gonna work with this. and then it goes down. I'm not sure about the chords, but for now it's fine. I have a effect rack that is just making... There's like a low pass filter and a distortion. Basically that's it. Some OTT and stuff. Low pass, distortion. Makes the whole thing distorted in a really nice warm way. I think we can just boost. I guess that's cool. That is weird. Kinda works. I'm gonna put this here, do the break here, this. Okay, I think we can add a... I have an ARP here that's just gonna put this here. This is a build ARP, build brass, I mean brass. We can put this bass on B, like just a sustain note for some tension kind of deal. I'm gonna put some fills from the sample pack. And we need to automate the low pass filter here. And how about the pitch bend? Pitch of this go up. And this, we have to convert that to sampler because we need a pitch bend of 12. Oh, and of course, we need some risers, right? My favorite, sweep up, this guy. Also this guy, but in E. Also a reversed kick right here. That's a weird but pretty nice layer actually. Dude, stop. Da. And auto filter. And let's go into pitch bend, clip transposition, and just counter. Also, what we have to do, we have to automate the gain because the pre-drop is kind of loud. Okay, how about some fills like drum fills? How about this one? Yeah, let's try this one. Yes. How about this, gentlemen? Yeah, that's kind of cool. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna go and pick the sweep. Yeah, from what I know, like layering this with something else may work pretty nicely. So I'm just gonna pick a part of this vocal. I don't know, just do something like this. About this. Hey, that's kind of cool. I need to take this part and just delete the low frequencies and distort the hell out of it. Yeah. Add some reverb on it. Okay, let's now add the drums. Wait, we need to automate the volume of this thing. Let's even do this. And that's pretty cool. Put these guys here, do this. We're gonna do the automation kind of deal. And put the bass here as well. How about putting the whole thing actually here? How about basically just grouping the whole thing like these guys and just putting the LFO tool on the whole thing here. And just make the whole thing quiet here when it's not supposed to be playing. Like there. Utility. Quiet thing. Nothing. Just quiet. Yeah, well, I think this should be like that, and then this should be playing like here, I guess. Okay, let's play the whole thing. Man, this hits so hard. Okay, sweet. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you learned something. Recently, I have released a full Ableton live effects guide, like every single Ableton effect. So if you want to check it out, go ahead, and if you want to learn Ableton effects, then there you go. Now I'm just gonna edit this video and just look at the perfect lighting we have in this place now. Sweet. See ya in the next one. So that's it. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, you can side on that subscribe button. Also, you can visit my site oversampled.us for some high quality samples, presets, and free sounds.